How to post on Reddit on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you the procedure to post on Reddit on mobile. In order to post on Reddit, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is make sure to open up your Reddit application. Also make sure that the application is completely up to date. So when you open up your Reddit, you just need to navigate to a desired subreddit or click on plus or create button at the bottom of the page right in center. When you do this, you could then go ahead and first of all select community at the top. You could do this as well. And then you could go ahead and type in the title. After you're done typing in the text, at the bottom you could see there are multiple tabs, right? You could either add a link, you could either add a video, you could also add a photo or any sort of options. So let's go ahead and explore all of these. Then here you have the link, you could go ahead and add it. And after you've actually done it, so you could also see there's this icon that you could allow to add pictures. So for that you need to enable the permission. I'm just gonna go with this. Click on add. If you're sure about it, click on the next button. After which you could then scroll down a bit and then you could go ahead and add more picture if you want. And if you are sure about it, you could then go ahead and click on the post button. Just follow the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully posted on Reddit. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.